How on the children to do this year? The Queen quite coming on live from this year, their Heritage Day celebration. This is the 31st one, yeah. This year the We Youth Day. And look, y'all on the children. You know who broke them off this morning and get them children started. Oh, you don't see this your face before now, but usually be the come from behind the booth. Well, this year day, I gotta be front the booth on the children. This year, Sister LaDonna here, what I wanted to do.
I doing good.
I get to say that lighthouse was shine bright this morning, girl.
Yeah, shine bright.
Oh, great. So who you had there this morning?
I had my smooches.
My smooches, baby.
Basketball lady.
Oh, yes, man.
And Caleb, he had to come.
Caleb in yeah.
And then I bring a little marionette I had named Ruben. He the Gullah bird.
Oh, really?
He come and he do the dance for the
Oh,
children
stop.
and shake his tail feather.
Oh, you better stop. You better teach him how to do the buzzer look then. That our Gullah Geechee dancing though.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you will have to learn them that one. So then you had, how much the children been there this morning?
Oh, wow. The first set we had, I think it was about almost 100.
100 children.
And then the second set, oh, it was
way more than that. So we worked you today.
Oh, yeah. I
enjoyed it. Everybody enjoyed you in the Lighthouse Theater and things like that. And you know, we got to start that over. That's all right. We'll pick up from that. So everybody enjoyed you in the Lighthouse Theater and things like that. Because they say you learn them, but where we the day at? In school and things like that. And so we're so glad that I had this your chance. So we sorry you ain't going to be here for the whole festival. But how you like when you get a chance to see after you come out the Lighthouse?
Oh, wow. It's nice. I didn't know it gets so deep. And it's like so many people out here, so many different cultures. And I heard some Nations people out here and everything. And being able to see the flags of the different colored people who was here before, I was like, wow, I was amazed. A lot of things I learned just studying up on it as well. Yeah. And then like they say, you never know something until you teach it.
And it is.
So, you know, I learned a lot, even sharing it with the kids and, you know, they sharing it back with me. It was so fun.
Wonderful. Yeah. And you know that how we community work and things like that.
Yeah.
Everything will go around in the circle. Go around in the circle. So the Waller one, the London, Lee one, the Lee one, the London Waller one, something. But that was the family fun. So we're so glad that Hunter had a chance for finally joining me for the Heritage Days and things like that. And Hunter children, if you miss them this year, every year, leading up to that Veteran Day holiday, you can come right to St. Island, Penn School. This year, we the focus on I still want the prize. Continuing the legacy of change. So we change them up on Hunter children this year, but we bring in the Lighthouse Theater. But it came back again, yeah. And so Hunter children, stick with we gonna show Hunter a little bit more what going on the day, yeah. Peace and blessing. Hunter children know if you deal with we, Hunter going to know this year what going on.
We all knew what was going to happen to Hoodie. Well, my mammy and my grandmammy took little Lily and they washed her up. And I remember listening at that day, little house window, when my grandmammy said, "Gal, you listen here. You go ahead and you do what Master Cunningham wants you to do. Because you listen here, whether you let him or not, he can take your body, but remember, he can't take your soul. So you go now, and you do what you gotta do. Because remember now, one day you gonna be free." I just remember that hurt me so hard because little Lily was only 9 turns of the season. So I just decided to run. I took off running that night, and the night was as dark as me, and I thank God for that night. Because when I took off, I had to run all night long because I know them there slave catchers, you know, them patty rollers, they going to be looking for me come morning. I ran all night long, and then I used to climb up a high tree, and I slept all day long. I remember hearing them old hounds, Them old hounds was coming after me. I had to keep running, them hounds was coming. So I took some of my clothing off, and I threw it over that way, and I took something else off and threw it over that way, and then I hit that old water. Yeah, I did. But then here come the next day. I climbed up another tall tree and I slept all day. I did this for about 2 full turns of the full moon before I finally got to Massachusetts. But just before I got there was this here big river. Now white folks call it something else, But we used to call that river the Gator River. Because see, that there river be filled with gators. But see, I knew I had to get in that river and swim to the other side. Because on the other side lived freedom. And I wanted to live with him. So I dove in and I swim 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 and I swim. And finally I got to the other side. I've been so tired, I've been laying in that old marsh, and when I look over to my left, I saw a big gator laying right there next to me. I said, hey, what you doing there? He said, I was running too. Because see, the white man kills him too. He was running off to freedom.
Well.
And I finally came across another Negro. He was running too. I said, where's you be going? He said, I was going on to master duty. I said, why you going there? He said, you know, they put a call to arms out. Said, if we get there, they let people who look like we be soldiers. I said, no, that ain't Kankakee. Yes.
Yeah.
He said, that there's the truth.
That's right.
Me and him run together. And we finally came into a big old encampment with a big old buck was sitting at that table. He said, what you niggas want? I said, I just want to be a soldier, sir. He said, make your mark right there, but see, he didn't know. I knew how to sign my name because I used to play under the big house of Master Cunningham's son. So I signed my name, Jack Cunningham. And when I got there, and I saw all them soldiers, all I could have do was look up to the heaven, and I just started saying, oh my Lord, 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 Lord. Oh my Lord, 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 Lord. Well, no, load the ark up 2 by 2. He loaded up ox and kangaroo. He packed the ark up both so tight I couldn't sleep at all last night. I said, Lord, 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 oh my Lord, 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 Lord. Now listen here, fellas. If tomorrow should be my final getting out moment, I'd just like y'all boys to know that I'm as proud as a game rooster to be fighting with you guys.
Well, go ahead.
If tomorrow should be my final getting out moment, I want somebody to tell them that I died with my head held high and my back straight. Yes, sir. If you want to tell them that I died facing my enemy, I want y'all to go ahead and tell them so. If you want to tell them that I died once being a slave, go ahead and tell them so.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to tell them that I died being a member of the Massachusetts Company I, go ahead and tell them so. If you want to tell them that I died for freedom, yes, sir, you go ahead and tell them so. And before I be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free and be free. Jack Cunningham, ladies and gentlemen. And before we leave the stage, if you guys don't mind, we'd like to take this time to introduce you guys to our reenactment group, starting right here with this gentleman right here.
Joseph McGill, Ladson, South Carolina.
All right.
Ramona LaRoche, Georgetown and Charleston, South Carolina.
Yeah.
Terry James, Florence, South Carolina.
All right.
And ladies and gentlemen, my name is James Brown, and I'm out of Charleston, South Carolina. And we are the Massachusetts 54th Regiment Reenactment Group, Company I. Thank you.
All right. Yeah.